Right, welcome back to Marius Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be directing you how to set up LEW PRO VPN application in all countries and on all networks. So guys, we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, we request you to follow us, we request you to like our video. Just help us and like our video to keep up with all important updates from Marius Tech YouTube channel. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to open our Google Play Store, and after opening our Google Play Store, we're going to go where we search from right here, and then we enable the search bar, and after we're going to search LEW VPN or LEW PRO VPN, like that. LEW PRO VPN application. This is how we're going to be setting the VPN application. Ensure to install this VPN application on your mobile device. And remember to follow your local laws, because this tutorial is purposely for educational and informational research purposes only. We are not responsible for any harm caused out of this VPN application or damage, and we are not after any telecom company in any country. So you are at your own risk while using this VPN application. Open the VPN application. This is how we are going to be setting our VPN application. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. And after, at this juncture, they are requesting us to join their Telegram channel. But to keep up with all important updates from this VPN application owners, we must join their Telegram channel so that we can get all new configurations updated on this application. So I request you to join their Telegram channel. And after, I'm going to place data because I already joined. Then I'm going to come right here on the top left corner. We have those 4 dots. I'm going to click on them, and then this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to come right here where I have the check updates, and I first update my VPN application for a moment to ensure that I'm already up to date. So the VPN application right is up to date. This is what you're going to be doing next. You're going to come here where you have the auto server, and then click right there and wait for a few moments. After, I'm seeing right here, I'm seeing 4 servers, but to my viewers, subscribers, friends and family, I recommend you to use a server that is near to your location, or those in countries in Africa, I request you to be using the auto select server or the auto server for best performance. Then after, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to come right here where I have all network, delete right, and click that one and wait for a few moments. They are telling me that no tricks available. I'm going to come here where I have all tricks, and then because in the recommended we had no tricks available, now we are in all tricks. This is how we are going to be setting it. You see the first 3, we have the delete all network, we have all network FR. Hope many of you know what it means. That is UDP. We have all country of VPN, that is UDP. I recommend all my viewers to be using the all network FR UDP, but you are free to choose a server from your location. Those in Uganda currently, you may be using the learn from home bundles, but in other countries I don't recommend any bundle. Just be choosing the all network FR. Then after, come to the connect, and then get started and get ready to enjoy the unlimited. I sign out.